Hello students, welcome back. Class 10, subject IT. Today I am discussing database basic SQL select command. Okay, so select command here full form is SQL is important structure query language. You keep in mind SQL full form structure query language. But here I'm already discussed update command, delete command, create command. But here I want to discuss select command. So select command is used to display records of a table. What is the syntax of select command? Select, first we select column 1 comma column 2 from which table we will mention table name where we can apply any condition. Order by, with the help of order we can any column we can ascending and descending order, so our output will be meaningful. Okay, so here I am giving the perfect example. Okay, complete example you can see. Here you can see write a SQL command to display all the records to student table. You can see this is our student table. In the student table you can see roll number, name, marks, roll number 101, Peter 75.36, Robber 102, Robber 62.36, 103, Smith 85.96. So, but our purpose is we must write a SQL command. So highlighted thing is our answer. In exam, you will write the highlighted answer. Okay. So select star. Star means including all the rows and all the columns from student and semicolon. So what is the output? You can see complete table. Again it will display as it is. Roll number, name, marks. 101 Peter 75.36, 102 Robert 62.36, 103 Smith 85.96. Okay, so suppose you want to display all the all the records, so you must use select star. Okay, from here we will mention table name. Okay students, but in the next example I want to see only selected column, not all column, because all the column we must use star after the select command. But if you want to see the selected column, so write a SQL command to display only roll number and marks of student table. So you can see our student table, you can see roll number, name. Okay, same example. So what is the SQL command? Highlighted thing is our answer. So select which column you want to see, roll number comma marks from which table, student. So what is the output of this code? You can see it will select only roll number column and marks column. Okay, now because select command used to display data. Now my third question is I want to display only selected row. So write a SQL command to display only details of roll number 103 in student table. So student table you can see what is the SQL command. In exam you will write the highlighted answer. Select star means complete detail of roll number 103. So you can write select star from student. Here we can use where, because I want to say selected row. So when you want to see selected row, you must use where roll number, because which column, in roll number column equals to 103. Okay, so it will select only 103 complete column. So you can see roll number 103 Smith 85.96. so here new thing is where we can use for selected row. Now next command is I want to see the data in range. Okay, so write a SQL command to display all the records whose marks between 60 to 70%. Okay, I want to see all the records belong to 60 to 70 in range in student table. So you can see student table, you can see roll number, marks. Okay, so highlighted thing is our answer. In our exam we can write the highlighted answer. Select star from student. here I want to see, so selected row. So here where we already use, but which column? Marks. But here data in our range, so we must use between 60 and 17. Between 60 and 17. So it will select all the data between all the marks between 16 and 17. So you can see this is our output. Only 101 Peter 75 and 102 Robert 62. Okay, Smith will not include in our result. Okay, so highlighted thing is our answer. This is our SQL command. Select star from student where marks between 60 and 70. Okay, students. Now next command is I want to display data in ascending or descending order. So write a SQL command to display student name in ascending order, A to Z form. Ascending means A, then B, then C, then D. According to this, we can say ascending. So you can say this is your student table. So what is the command? I want to arrange all the student name in ascending order. So what is the SQL command? In exam we will write our highlighted answer. So select star from student because I want to apply on all the records, but order by. Any column we can ascending and descending, but order by we must use. Order by which column you want to ascending and descending? Name. So order by name, ascending or descending? I want to see in ascending. So AAC, AAC, then semicolon to complete this command. So you can see Peter, then Robert, then Smith. Okay. So this is our data in ascending order. But I want to see all the name in descending order. Okay. So you can see same example, but here one thing. Select star from student, order by name. Here I am using DESC. Here I am using DESC. DESC means Z to A form. Z, you can see first Smith, then Ruber, then Peter in output you can see. So select star from student, order by name, and we can use DESC keyword. Okay, so you can see today I am discussing the select command, the various style. All the records we must use star. For selected column we can use select, then column 1 comma column 2. To show the selected row we can use where. To show the data in range we use between. To show data in ascending or descending we use order by, then column name, then ASC for ascending order, then DSC for descending order. Okay students, thanks for my attending the online class. My notebook assignment. Okay, what is the full form of SQL? Okay, what is a select command in SQL? Write the syntax of select command. Write only 2 example of select command. Okay students, thank you so much.